Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. In today's video I'm going to show you how to download Swazi bank application on an Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to begin first, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet server. Turn on your Wi-Fi or cellular data and open up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and tap it on Now. Type in Swazi Bank and make your search. You'll be able to find the application displayed in the search result at the top. If you tap on the application, you'll be able to see further information about the app. Simply tap on the Install button in green in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until your download finishes. And once it does, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Swazi Bank application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you if this was a bank application installed on your mobile device. You can view your account balances, transfer funds, request statements, pay utility bills, and much more right from your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.